So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna make a grandma pizza.
Okay.
My grandma is a little bit different than your traditional grandma. My Nonna is a little bit spicy. So my thing is like, my Nonna is hotter than your Nonna. So we're gonna put some shredded whole milk and part skim Galbani cheese on there. It's what we've referred to as the New York blend.
Yes.
Okay, it's a 50-50 blend. So now we have some spicy capicola. Putting on a little bit of a tomato sauce, which this is basically just a whole peeled tomato. I blend it up. I put a little olive oil, a little basil, a little oregano. I got the Italian long hots that I put on there, which are the Italian peppers, right? And then we have some fresh mozzarella pearls.
So pretty.
Right? And I'm gonna put this in the oven now, and we're just gonna finish it off completely. It's probably gonna be about 4 or 5 minutes.
Perfect. Wow, look at that cheese.
You see that? Look at that. Look at that.
Oozing.
You got that? You got that?
Ooh.
Huh? It's all about the best ingredients right there.